A private bird park in Caotun, Nantou County, is home to nearly 80 bird species. The park now covers 20 hectares. But the owner hopes to expand it so it can be home to even more birds, and so that his park can beat out Singapore's Jurong Bird Park for the title of biggest bird park in Asia. Jurong Bird Park in Singapore boasts more than 3,000 birds belonging to 600 species. Every year, it attracts about 800,000 visitors. The owner of the Nantou County Bird Park says he will invite specialists from Singapore to share their experience and give ideas for the park's future design. The owner says that if everything goes well, Taiwan will become home to Asia's largest bird park in December next year. Shirley Lin, RTI News.